Good morning, dear students. Today in this episode, we'll study about is matter around us pure. In last episode, we studied about same chapter is matter around us pure, but the topic was impure substances. Today, our topic is impure substances. Children, impure substances are known as mixture. Suppose we have two types of substances and we mix them together, then we make a mixture. So, most of the substances in our surroundings are not in pure form and they are called mixture. Substances which are made of two or more matters and which can be separated by physical methods are known as mixtures, such as mixture of salt and water, mixture of sugar and water, mixture of different types of gases, air, etc. So different types of atoms and molecules make the mixture. Now, mixture or impure substance is a material which contains two or more kinds of atoms or molecules which do not react chemically but are physically mixed together in any proportion known as mixture. So, this is the definition of mixture. A mixture is a material containing two or more elements or compounds that are in close contact and are mixed in any proportion. Mixtures are of two types, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures are those mixtures in which the substances are mixed together very properly, means completely mixed. Such type of mixtures are called homogeneous mixtures, like sugar in water, which do not have the mixtures which have uniform composition, in which no visible boundary is there. And heterogeneous mixtures are those mixtures in which do not have uniform composition throughout. Like in this video you are watching oil and water. Oil and water is the example of heterogeneous mixture. Now, in homogeneous mixture in water, we are adding salt. And when we are adding salt in water, so this we know that between the water particles space is there and salt particles they get mixed very properly because they occupy the space present between the water molecules, and in this way this is uniform composition. So a mixture in which all the components are uniformly mixed known as homogeneous mixture. Okay, now we have heterogeneous mixture. What is heterogeneous mixture? A mixture in which the substances are not mixed uniformly, or a mixture which does not have uniform composition throughout, like oil and water. Oil is seen separately, separate layer is seen visible separately, and water is visible separately. So such type of mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. So a mixture in which all the components are not uniformly mixed is known as heterogeneous mixture, like mixture of soil and sand with water, mixture of oil and water. Okay, and so one more property is there, no separation boundaries are visible in homogeneous mixture, but the boundaries of separation or separate boundaries are visible in heterogeneous mixture. Now we can see oil and water, both are mixed together but they are not mixed. Separate boundary of separation can also be seen properly. So separation boundaries are visible in heterogeneous mixture and no separation boundaries are visible in homogeneous mixture. And the mixture of salt and water or sugar and water has only one phase, because same it is visible, but two phases are present in oil and water. One phase is of oil and other phase is of water. So it has two phases, and homogeneous mixture have only single phase. Example of homogeneous mixture, mixture of water and sugar. An example of heterogeneous mixture, mixture of water and oil. So that's all for today. Thank you children. Have a nice